This video is going to show you how to turn in your assignments. So whether you've completed a PowerPoint lecture or you've completed an assignment, it's going to be the same procedure. So what we need to do is go back into the Schoology app because we're in a different app at this moment. So we're going to hit the home button to go back into Schoology and then go back into the Schoology app. You're going to go back to wherever the document was located, whatever folder it was located in. This happens to be in the Visual Rhetoric folder. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to open the document again. Because of how I linked the documents, they're a special type of document called an LTI document. They're already attached. So everything you've done is already saved. So all that you have to do to submit the assignment is to go in and hit submit. Yes, submit. And the little rocket ship should come up and you can hit done. Okay, this does not work for all classes and all teachers' documents. Only LTI documents. So be very wary of this. If it's just a file, if you're just attaching a file, it will not work in the same manner. Just as a caution. Okay. So that is how you're going to submit your document, and everything should be submitted, and you can view your submissions at that point.